Welcome to 79 Wanamaker Crescent. A rare opportunity. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,470 square foot home is nestled on a premium pie-shaped walkout lot overlooking the pond, trails and green space in the desirable River Mills community. You will be impressed from the moment you drive into the aggregate concrete driveway and make your way through the porch entrance that opens to the welcoming large foyer and living room. The main floor of this stunning home has 9-foot ceilings with hardwood and ceramic flooring. The separate dining room on the main floor is bright and open. The expansive family room boasts a cozy gas fireplace and hardwood floors that give it a distinct elegance and grace that will charm your guests. The kitchen is like a dream come true for anyone that enjoys cooking and entertaining. A chef's kitchen with granite countertops, large central island with built-in dishwasher, sink and breakfast bar plus an eat-in kitchen area. Like to cook and eat outside? Step out to the large deck, relax and enjoy the incredible views while the steaks sizzle on the barbecue before making your way down to an outdoor feast under the gazebo on the stamped concrete patio. A bright main floor office with French beveled glass doors, 2-piece bathroom and practical mudroom leading to the double car garage round out the main floor. A hardwood staircase leads you to the second floor loft. All 4 bedrooms have walk-in closets. Two of the bedrooms are joined by a Jack and Jill 5-piece ensuite bath. The primary bedroom retreat is on the other side of the home and has a luxurious 5-piece ensuite with soaker tub and separate oversized glass shower, plus hers and mostly hers walk-in closets. There is an additional 4-piece bathroom and convenient second-floor laundry room with wash basin. Downstairs you will find a fully unspoiled basement with rough-in for 5th bathroom and separate entrance walkout to the premium, pool-sized, pie-shaped lot backing onto the alluring green space and pond with trails for your year-round enjoyment, cycling, jogging or your morning and evening walks. A family-friendly area with community parks, close to all major amenities, shopping, schools, Highway 401 and the quaint downtown area of Hespeler. A home that will fit your life and offers value, comfort, and security to be enjoyed by you and your family for years to come. Get all of the details at www.hespelerhome.com, then contact your realtor to arrange a private viewing.